Today we're going to learn about the circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle is the distance around the entirety of a circle. So if we calculated the distance around this circle here, that would be its circumference. The equation for circumference is 2 pi r. Pi, or this symbol here, is equal to 3.14, approximately. So given this information, we know that circumference 2 times 3.14 times r. So what is r? R is the radius. The radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the outer edge. So in this first example, this is the radius. Now the radius is half of the diameter. And if this is half of the diameter, then as you can imagine, adding another line of equal length would be equal to the diameter. And that's what the diameter is. The diameter is in the second example here. The diameter is the distance across the circle. So we have the radius on the left-hand side here and the diameter on the right. So now we have enough information to solve for circumference. Circumference is 2 times pi times r. In this case, it would be 2 times 3.14 times r, which is 8 feet. So our answer is going to be 50.24 feet. Next, we're going to have the diameter of 55 meters. So how do we use diameter to find circumference? Well, we have circumference is equal to 2 pi r. We know r is equal to 1/2 of d. So that means circumference, which is 2 pi r, is equal to 2 pi. And if we plug in 1/2 d here, we're going to get 1/2 d. The 2 and 1/2 multiplied together are equal to 1, so they cancel out. And we end up with pi times d. Well, this means that circumference is also equal to pi times d. Pi times diameter. So we can simply plug in 3.14, which is pi. If we multiply it by diameter, which is 55 meters, we get our answer, which is going to be 172.7 meters. Finally, let's try to solve for radius instead this time. So solve for radius. If circumference is 31.4 inches, so we know what 31.4 inches is equal to 2 times 3.14 times r. Let's divide both sides by 3.14, and we're going to get 31.4 divided by 3.14 is equal to 10. So we're going to have 10 is equal to 3.14 divided by 3.14 cancels out. 2r. Let's continue down here. So we divide both sides by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5 equals 2 divided by 2, which is cancels out, and we get r. So 5 is equal to r. And so if we rewrite this, r is equal to 5 inches. That's our final answer.